Wait a minute.
How are you, sir?
Hello. Hello. Can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Can you hear me?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. How are you all?
We are fine, sir. How are you, sir? How are you?
Yes, now I am okay. Yes?
Sir, you were fall sick?
Yes, yesterday I was not well, so I was absent yesterday. But now I am okay. Yes? I hope that everyone is keeping safe and healthy. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Please,
Yes,
please
sir.
be safe. Please be safe. Still, this corona has not gone. Okay. You have to be very much strict and in this matter, very serious in this matter. Don't just roam here and there. Okay. You have to be very strict in whatever you do. Okay. Just wash your hands thoroughly. Okay. Wash your hands and use sanitizer. Wash your hands with soap and all. Okay. When you in case you go outside and come to the home, just wash your hands with your soap for at least 2 minutes. Okay. And always be fit and fine. Be healthy and always eat healthy. Don't eat anything from outside. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Always eat healthy and be safe. Okay. So beta, in the last class what we had completed, can anyone say? Who can say the last class what we had done?
Sir, we have completed marking of question answer.
Okay, we have completed marking of question answer, is it?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Then did I send the PDF of this chapter? The last
Yes,
chapter that we have completed?
Yes, sir. You have sent and I have sent.
So everyone has completed? I hope that everyone has
Yes,
completed.
sir. Yes,
Those who have
sir.
not completed, those who have not got the PDF, you have to, what you have to do? Those who have not got the PDF and those whose phone is not working for the PDF format, because you know some students do not support the PDF. Okay, so if such students are there, just tell me. Okay, I will send you some in some other way. Okay, just don't be tensed. Okay, I will share with you everything, all the notes and everything. Just you have to go through it and you have to complete it. Clear? 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 Hello?
Yes, sir.
Are you?
Yes, sir. We are here.
And activities done? Activities? All the activities that I had given?
Yes, sir. Activities is also done.
Very good. Very good. Very good. So everyone is doing
Sir,
everything,
may I
no?
show you?
No, not now. Okay. Do one thing. You can send me through WhatsApp. Okay. Not now. After 1 o'clock.
Okay,
After
sir.
2 o'clock. In the afternoon you can send me. Clear? Okay. So, beta, we have according to the syllabus, how many chapters now we have completed? Means PA1 syllabus. Now
Sir.
PA1 syllabus, how many
Yes,
chapters are there from geography? How many chapters are there for PA1? Hello? How many chapters are there for PA1, beta? Am I audible?
Yes, sir. You are audible.
Then reply, beta. Why you don't simply?
Sir, we don't know.
You don't know.
Sir, there are 3
I told you, beta. It is already known to you. There are 3 chapters from geography. Yes or no?
Sir, can I
There
tell
are-
the syllabus? Sir,
yes,
1, 2,
please.
3. Geography 1, 2, 3. Sir.
Then
History chapter 1 and 2. Geography chapter 1, 2, 3. Civics chapter
Yeah.
1, 2 and 3.
civics 1, 2,
1, 2 and 3.
3.
1, 2, 3. Yes or no? So these 1 chapters you have completed. Yes or no? Can you see this?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And from geography, this also done. So now how many chapters remaining?
Sir,
1, 2, 3 and 4. 4 chapters are remaining. Yes or no? So today, hello, are you listening? Mute your mics, beta.
yes, sir.
So now how many chapters are remaining? From geography, 1. From civics, 2, 3 means 2 chapters from civics, and from history, 1 chapter. Yes or no? In total 4 chapters are remaining. So today we will go with, first we have to complete, let's complete the geography first. Means second chapter we have completed and first chapter also completed. 1 and 2 is
Sir,
done.
someone's mic is on. Your voice is not coming properly.
I am always telling you to mute your mics while I say something. Or else I will put in lecture mode, beta. What do you want? If I put in lecture mode,
Keval's mic is on. Keval's mic is on.
okay, I am putting in lecture mode. That is better. Okay?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Then why? Now it's your choice. If I put in lecture mode, you won't be able to ask the doubts and questions and whatever. Do you want me to put in lecture mode? Do you want me to put in lecture mode?
Sir, only Ayan is unmuting. Unmute his mic.
So when needed, at that time only you have to unmute. Now this is the last and final warning. Now if I find mic on and disturbance, I will directly put in lecture mode. Okay? So this is the last one, last warning. Okay? So now geography as we had done 1 chapter, 2 chapters. One we have done in MA1 and second chapter we have done the first chapter from PA1. Okay? So 2 chapters done now. So first let's focus on geography now, because geography is easy, no? So first we can complete geography. So we'll start with, now we are moving for which chapter? And second chapter, I think worksheet is remaining, yes or no?
Yes, sir. Worksheet is remaining.
Means worksheet not remaining. I already gave you as homework. You might have done also. You should have done. Only my PDF is remaining. That's it. Otherwise, it's
Sir,
not incomplete. I already gave
Sir,
it
I
as
have sent
homework
you
also.
the photo of worksheets.
Yes. I have seen. Okay, some students have already done the worksheet of this chapter. Only few students have done because they are working hard. Means I told you to read the textbook, try to find out the answer. It's easy only. Worksheet question answers are easy. Questions are easy only. Directly you can find out the answers from the textbook if you read the textbook. Now it is up to you
Sir,
whether you
worksheet
read or
only
not
2
read.
or 3 page.
What?
Sir, worksheet is only for 2 or 3 page.
Whatever, 2 page, 3 page or 5 page, whatever, how many pages? Pages is not the matter now. Okay, I am talking about the completion of worksheet. Okay, that should be complete. And I gave you as the homework, after completing each topic, I am already giving you as homework. So today how many portions we have done? That much you have to read from textbook and then complete the worksheet, find out the answer. And answers are easy to find out in textbook. Okay, now see, again I am getting disturbance. Shall I put in lecture mode? Now this is the last warning. So whenever I give it as a homework, it should be done. You can write with pencil, no problem. I told you. You can write with pencil. You can write by your own words, no problem. But answer should not be like anything. It should not be different from the topic. Okay. You can find the answer from textbook only. That when you find the answer from textbook, directly you can copy it down. That's it. So there is nothing to so that the answer may get wrong. No, there is no chance of answers to get wrong when you write from textbook, because it's correct only. Okay, but when you will find out the answer? When you read the textbook. Now that is up to you. Okay. Now if you read the textbook and still you don't understand anything, that is another thing. For that you can ask me, sir, I have read this question, I have read this answer, but I am not understanding. If these kind of things are happening, you can directly call and ask me. I will clear your doubts. Clear? So today we will, so second chapter worksheet PDF I will send you today. Okay, and then you can, if anyone who has done, just cross check your answers and then again write your answers. Okay, if it is correct, then okay, not correct, then correct it and write it again. Clear? And those who have not done anything, look at the PDF and try to understand the answer and write it as a sentence. Write the answers with sentence, because the worksheet PDF that I send, they are only given in one word or one sentence only it is given. But you have to write it according to the question. You have to make a sentence and write it down. It's very simple only. So how you will make a sentence? Just you have to copy some part of the question. Okay, suppose the question is coming that what are extrusive rocks. So how you will make a sentence?
Hello, sir.
First, yes.
Sir, I have doubt.
Yes, beta, ask me.
Sir, you will send the PDF of the geography chapter. तो सर उसमें हमको करना कैसे वो जो फैक्ट वेट सर आई विल टेल यू
Means in worksheet you are saying?
No sir.
Then?
Fact that in fact question answer, textual question answer. Sir, you will send the fact that matter, then in internal of the earth. Sir, we have to write in this notebook. Internal of earth, rocks and minerals.
Yes, everything you have to write down. I told you what is the format of writing the FAIR notebook. I told you whatever the facts that matter is there, no? What are they? They are actually the important points, means they are given in short form.
Okay, sir.
It is whatever facts that matter are given, no? In every chapter I will be sending the facts that matter. Now what does this facts that matter means? It means that it is a short description of the chapter, means they are a point wise it is given, every topic. So it would be easy for you to understand the topic. So facts that matter is very important. So when you start a chapter, first you have to write down the chapter name. Okay, this I am rubbing. Okay, this one. We are going.
And sir, we have to put these pictures also.
What?
Floor learning, structure of the earth.
Yes. If you can do that, because that would be very good for you to explain the chapter. It is better you draw with pencil, because you will get an idea. You will get an idea, and you know, suppose in exams also, if such questions are asked, okay, so you can suppose descriptive questions are asked, no? So at that time what you can do, you can take that help of the diagram, you can explain with that diagram. So that diagram you have to practice, not only one time you have to draw in FAIR note, but in rough book also you can draw and practice that that flow chart, means the flow learning, no? That you can draw and practice, okay, 2-3 times, so that you will understand that points, what are the, because those, means like this way given, no? Flow chart, like this way it is given.
Yes, sir.
Yes, no? So these points will help, so this will help you to understand what are the key points of the chapter. So it will be easy for you to understand. Okay, and that is why, so that also you have to draw. So what is, once again I am saying, what is the format of writing FAIR notebook? First write down the chapter number, whatever the number is, then chapter name, okay, then you have to start writing with facts that matter, which is very important, facts that matter. Okay, that you have to write down. Second, what you will write down? Words that matter. They are the important words, or like we can say hard words, we can say. Okay, so words that matter, that also you have to write down but after this facts that matter only, you have to write down words that matter. Then the third point will be the textual exercise, and this can be of any chapter, okay, whether it is history, civics or geography. The format should be like this. Understood? Are you getting me? Are you getting me?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
I hope that everyone has understood. Now I will not say this. Okay, if you still did not understand, you can ask, no problem. But now I will not say this, because already 2-3 times I said what is the format of writing the fair notebook, what is the format. Okay, I think this is the third time I am saying. Okay, if you still have doubt, you have not understood how to write, you can ask me in the evening. Okay, understood? Shall I
Yes,
repeat?
sir.
Okay, so after textual exercise, then done. Then the chapter is done. So these are the steps to write the fair notebook. And activity book, in that how you will do? Now the format of activity book. There also the same. First you will write the chapter number, chapter name. Then what you will do? Suppose one activity I had given, you have to write down activity 1. Okay, this way you will write down. Then write down the question of that activity, whatever is the question. First you have to write down the question. Then you have to do the answer for that, or then you have to do that activity. Clear? Now suppose in one chapter I had given 3 activities. Then if one activity is done, then second you have to write down activity number 2. Then again you have to do that one. Then then in next page activity number 3. Then that you have to do. How many activities are given per chapter? You have to do accordingly only. Understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Now see, one thing is there. Suppose if I give activity to do in chart paper, that you can do differently. That if I say, then only you have to do in chart paper. Otherwise, every activity or whatever extra work I give, that should be done in activity book only. Clear every doubts? Every doubts clear?
No, sir.
No. Who said no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Shreya, you did not
No
understand?
doubt. No doubt, sir.
Then why did
I
you say no?
understand properly.
Then why did you say no? Okay. I wonder why did you say no, because I explained in simple language only. I did not say American English. Okay. Okay, fine. So anyways, we had done geography chapter number 2. Now we will be going for which chapter? Geography chapter number
3. Are chasing
3.
Earth.
Yes. So we are going into the new chapter, that is geography chapter number 3, our changing earth. Done? This is the name of the chapter. Now our changing earth means it has like
Sir, I have doubt
land.
in chapter number 2.
Yes, beta, ask your doubt.
Sir, what are
What doubt
fossils?
is it? What are?
Sir, what is fossils?
What are fossils? Not what is fossils. Okay. Now they are like, you might have seen dead bodies of animals and all. Have you seen, beta? Hello.
No, sir.
Means you might have okay, you might have not seen, but when you search in Google, you might find, just search for that. Okay, dead bodies of like whatever animals, wild animals, or the animals that we means animals in common. Okay, so they are, we can say like,
we have seen earthquake.
what?
We
Hello?
have seen earthquake at last year only.
अच्छा बेटा,
Sir, last year we
What?
have seen earthquake.
I am not talking about earthquake. Beta, what is your question?
Sir, what
Somebody
are
asked
fossils?
some other question. Then who is saying about earthquake? Somebody is saying about earthquake. Beta, anyone ask. All together don't ask. Otherwise what will happen? I will explain one thing and then you will understand another thing. Okay, anyone ask. Okay, you have to ask at a time. Don't ask, means 2-3% don't say all together. Then what will happen? Confusion will be there. Okay, so other students should mute their mics when one person is asking. Other students will mute their mics. After the completion of that doubt solving, then only you have to go with, then I will come with the other, you can ask the another question. Clear? Don't say, speak in between. If one student is asking one doubt and I am clearing that doubt, then don't ask in between. Okay, otherwise what will happen? Confusion will create. Okay, understood? Understood?
Yes,
Hello?
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So mute your mic first. Who asked me about fossils? Beta, what's your name?
Sir, Herman.
Herman. See, they are like, we can say, the dead remains or dead bodies of animals. Okay, like bones are there, no, which are under the earth. Okay, sometimes when they are dead, so their dead bodies are just they are put under the earth. Yes or no? And then what happens? Their fossils remain, means like their dead bodies of animals. They are known as fossils. Okay, understood? Dead remains of animals.
Yes, sir.
Clear?
Sir, the oil is made up of fossils?
Yes, means we can say like now see how oil are created or how oil is formed. Okay, it's formed with 1,000 years. Means it will take 1,000 years for forming an oil. Means they are made of the dead remains of the animals. They are dig into the earth surface. Okay, and it's a process. Okay, that you might have learned in class 5th. Okay, that how the minerals are formed. Yes or no? They are formed. It may take 1,000 years for forming the minerals. Are you getting me what I am saying? Are you getting me what I am saying? Yes. So when these dead bodies or dead remains of the animals are under the earth's surface, then it will take many years when that fossils, okay, it will change into the form of this minerals. But later it will take so many years for that to happen. Okay, so you can say that with fossils these minerals are formed. Okay, clear beta? Now anybody has any doubt from the previous chapter?
Yes, sir. Clear.
No doubt, sir.
Mute your mic now. We are going into the new chapter. So everyone listen, our changing earth. So what do you understand by our changing earth? So right now in the previous chapter what we have learned? We have learned that what is inside the earth. What all things are inside the earth? What are the layers of the earth? Okay, these things we have learned. How that means, what do we call? Okay, there are 3 kinds of layers are there. Okay, we have understood with an example of an egg. Yes or no? So that it was easy for us to understand with the example of an egg. Okay, it has got 3 layers. Which are they? First one is the crust, second is the mantle, and third is the core. Yes or no? These 3 points we have come to know that when we dig the earth, okay, if you want to go to the center of the earth, how much kilometer you have to dig? How much kilometer? 6,000 kilometers. Yes. So it is not possible, but just an approximate figure they have given. Okay. No one is possible to go inside that much deep. It's not at all possible. Okay. So these things we have learned. Then what we have learned in the previous chapter, we have learned about rocks and minerals also. Okay. How many types of rocks are there? Okay. How are they formed? Okay. That we have learned. And what are the mineral components, okay, that are present in the rock. Clear? These things we have learned. And what are minerals? What is the rock cycle? So these things now you have an idea. Yes or no, beta? You have an idea. Yes or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, good. So now we are going to see about how the earth changes. Changing earth means today also we can say. So at present also earth is changing each and every day, each and every second, each and every minute. Earth is changing its form one way or the other. So no, it is always keeping on changing. There are some changes that are happening. In which way we can say, like for example, land forms. Have you heard about land forms? You learned in class 6. Yes or no? Major land forms of the earth.
Yes, sir.
You have learned. So in this chapter we will learn about what you will learn. You will learn about weathering. Okay. Then you will learn about erosion, deposition. These things you will learn. Okay. Then you will learn about the agents of erosion, explosion. Then you will learn about, you will understand the process and possible reasons behind the formation of particular land forms. Okay, means land forms are there. Okay, how they are formed. What are the, like we can say, what are the possible reasons? What are the reasons behind the formation of a particular land form? That things you will be learning in this chapter. Clear? So, shall I write that what all things you will be learning? You will be?
Yes.
So everyone listen. Just look in the board. You will be learning about. Everyone's concentration should be here. Okay? Okay, some extra points will also be there for this chapter, that also I will tell you. Okay, means related to the chapter, not out of the chapter or not out of the syllabus, but some extra things you will be learning. Okay, so learning about meaning of what? Meaning of weathering, erosion. These things you have learned in 6th. You have an idea, but still you will be learning in detail. Weathering, erosion, and then what you will be learning? Deposition. How they are deposited in one place, that is deposition. As in the last chapter we have learned about sediments, how the sediments are deposited in one place, that we have learned, no? So the same way, they are known as deposition, that deposition. Okay, so this one point is you will be learning. The second you will be learning about agents of erosion and deposition. Agents. What are the agents of erosion and deposition? I hope that you can see this properly, what I have written.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then, the third point. Okay, you will be learning in a way that you will understanding the reasons. You will understand the reasons behind what? What are the reasons behind? Wait a minute. Okay, reasons behind the formation of landform. Which landform? Formation of particular landform. It can be anything, major or minor. Particular landform. These are.
Sir, these we used to write in their notebook.
No, this just for an explanation I told you, just an introductory, today is the introduction part of this chapter. Okay, this you know, okay, if you want to write down, you can write down so that you will be having an idea. Okay, if you want to take screenshot, you can take the screenshot. Okay, these things you will be learning in the chapter. Okay, you will be learning about meaning of weathering, erosion and deposition. Second, agents of erosion and deposition. Then you will be learning about reasons behind the formation of particular landforms. Clear? Clear?
Yes, sir.
please take the screenshot. Then after don't ask. Everyone has to take. Because 10 minutes. 10 minutes I will need for the attendance. Okay. What is today's date?
Sir, 15.
15, no?
Sir,
Yes.
15.
So now, yes, okay, thank you. Okay, so today, now only 5 minutes are there. So within 5 minutes, okay, done everyone? Did you take in? Have you taken the screenshot?
Yes, sir, done.
Done.
Yes, sir.
Shall I rub it? Shall I rub it? Okay. Okay, we have done. Now, with 5 minutes, within 5 minutes, let's discuss about few points, okay, few points of this chapter. See, you will be learning about lithosphere. Do you have an idea about lithosphere? What do you mean by lithosphere? Okay,
Yes,
I'll tell
sir.
you. Acha, you know.
Yes.
Then who can tell me? Who has an idea about lithosphere? Somebody said yes. Yes, beta, tell me
Sir,
what is
I-
the lithosphere. Yes, beta, tell what is lithosphere.
Yes, sir. So lithosphere is the upper part of the earth where we live, where land, water is get and the living organism survives.
Yes, very good, very good. Who said this, beta?
Sir Herman.
Okay, very good, Herman. Nice attempt. Okay. This way you have to, everyone has to say. It's not like always Herman will say everything. Where are other students? Especially girls. Girls are not at all visible. They don't say anything except this Shreya. Only Shreya is speaking. Where are other girls? I have not even heard their voice also. Where are other girls? Beta, please reply, okay. If you don't understand anything, you at least say yes or no. Then Vishwa is there, Yesha is there, Khushi Kasundra is there. These girls are not at all speaking anything. Stella is there. Okay. Then who is there? Sachi. Sachi is also, Richa is there. Richa, Nancy. Okay, these girls are not at all speaking anything. Kavya is there. And from boys, see, except Herman, who is not speaking anything. Who is this Hariom? Hariom is not speaking anything. Adi doesn't speak anything. Then the same way, how many girls are not speaking? The same way boys are also there. Means in girls except Shreya and in boys except Herman, all others are simply sitting. What is that, beta? Everyone, I told you, no, it's not like I am teaching only to Herman and Shreya. I am teaching to everyone. Beta, you have to speak it out. No, that's up to you. Okay, I will give chance for everyone. And I want to give everyone, I want everyone to speak. Okay, not all together, ek saath nahi bolna hai, but one by one. Okay, you can speak. Yes or no? It's not like only Shreya has to speak. I have not said them, Shreya, always speak in the class. I have not said. Yes, beta. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Who is this, beta?
Sir Kavya.
Yes, Kavya, very good. I have heard your voice today. Very good. Yes, say.
A lithosphere is a rigid outermost shell of the terrestrial type planet or natural satellite. On Earth, it is composed of the crust and the portion of the upper matter that behaves aesthetically
Yes, yes.
on time scales. Thousands
Continue.
of thousands of years or greater.
Okay. Yes. Okay. So you'll learn about what lithospheric plate movements and their causes. Okay. See, there are. Okay. Good Kavya. Okay. Good attempt. Okay. Few more points are there. What you will be learning. How you will protect yourself from certain natural disasters. Okay. Now our changing earth means this chapter you can relate with the previous chapter. Yes.
Sir, I tell.
Yes, beta. No, not now. Let me explain first. Let me explain first. Okay. Okay. We are going to take the attendance now, but just wait for a minute, beta.
Sir, your voice
Just
is
give me-
breaking.
My voice is breaking.
No, sir,
Okay,
your
just
voice
give
is
me
not
2
breaking.
No, sir, your voice is clear.
So beta, who are saying my voice is not clear, just leave the class and join once again. Leave the class and join once again so that you will not have any problem in listening. I think you might be having some network issue, that's why. Clear? Okay. So what's the time, beta? I think time is up. I need 10 minutes for attendance. Yes. Okay, 8 more minutes are there, no problem. So within 8 minutes, let me explain few points. Then after we'll go with the attendance. Okay. So listen everyone, what I was saying. What you will once again few more points that you will be learning from this chapter. See, very important to learn. Yes, we will learn about Earth's movement and endogenic factors. Okay, endogenic forces, endogenic, exogenic. These are the kind of forces that will be available. Okay, endogenic and exogenic. Okay, what are these endogenic forces? What are the exogenic forces? These things you will be learning. Clear? Now, what are the internal movements of the earth that you know? Okay, means that you will be learning. Okay, what is inside the earth that you know, because that you have learned in the previous chapter. Now what are the internal movements of that earth that you will be learning in this chapter. Okay, so this you can relate with the previous chapter easily. Are you getting me what I am saying? Okay, previous
Yes,
chapter
sir.
what you have learned, you have an idea that what is inside the earth, only that much you know. Okay, what all things are present inside the earth that you know. Now what are the movements? Now inside the earth, what are the movements taking place, internal movements that you will be learning in this chapter. Clear? Then second, you will be learning about types of plate. Okay, means there are plates. Okay, like lithospheric plate movements and their causes and effects. What are the causes of those? Because you know plates are there. Plates means they are the land. Okay, land plates. Okay, on which the land is. See, this is the plate, and on above that the land is there. Land is standing on that plate only. Okay, that is plate. Okay, so movement of that plate. Okay, when that plates move, at that time this earthquake happens. Are you getting me? That tectonic plates you might have learned in previous chapters. So these are the plates. Okay, so the types of now your lithospheric plates means related to land. Okay, land, then landforms. What are the landforms? Major landforms. So related to the landforms, their plate movements you will be learning, and what are their causes, what are their effects. These things you will be learning in this chapter. Clear? Then next you will be learning about applying or learning to protect ourselves during natural disasters. How you will be protecting yourself during the natural disasters. Okay, understood? So these are the few points you will be learning. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes,
now
sir.
I see. Okay, so now let's go with the attendance. Shall we start? When I say, that person has to switch on the mic and say present or absent. No need to say, only have to say present. Okay? Shall we start?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So, roll number 1. Adi Patel.
Yes, sir. Present, sir.
Okay, good. Next, Ashvi Vagadia. Ashvi Vagadia. Ashvi Vagadia.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Now, beta, after now don't go. After attendance, stay there. I want to say the homework also. Then only everyone leave. Nobody will leave now after the attendance. When I say, after that only everyone will leave. Okay? Third, Akshi Parmar. Akshi Parmar.
Present, sir.
Okay. Ami Raveshia.
Present, sir.
Ami Ravesh. Okay, good.
Present, sir.
Next, Arya. Arya Al. Arya Al is there? Not there. Okay.
No, sir,
Next.
not, sir.
Okay. Next, Ayan Payak. Ayan Payak. Ayan Payak. Are you there, beta? No. Bhakti Gadra.
Sir, present on the whole.
Ayan is present. Ayan is present.
Yes, sir.
Ayan is present. No.
Yes, sir.
Bhakti.
Sir, but present, sir.
Okay. Next, Diya. Diya Dalsania. Diya Dalsania.
Present, sir.
Beta, everyone knows your roll number, no? From next day or from tomorrow, I will say only the roll number. You have to say your present absent. Okay, if you don't remember your roll number, check that list that ma'am has already sent in your group. Poonam ma'am has sent, no? Once again, check that list.
Yes,
Okay? Or let me see whether I can send that list once again or not. Okay, I will send it once again. Okay, if possible. Otherwise, just look at that list and remember your roll number. Tomorrow I will say only roll number. Now it's your responsibility to say present or absent. Otherwise I will put absent. Okay. Today I am saying name. Next, Dharti Pfeffer. Dharti Pfeffer.
Yes. Present, sir.
Okay. Next, Dhruvi Kagadra.
Present.
Okay. Next, Divyanshu Shukla.
Present, sir.
Okay. Next, Diyanshi Detroja.
Present, sir.
Next, Hariom Kasundra.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Next, Harman Sheth.
Present, sir.
Good. Next, Harsh Kalola.
Present, sir.
Okay. Harsh Dangar. Harsh Dangar. No. Jil Kumar Makasana. Jil Kumar Makasana. There? No. Jeet Kumar Vitlapara. Jeet Kumar Vitlapara.
Present, sir.
Good. Next, Juhi Joshi. Juhi Joshi. Not there. Kanji Loria.
Present, sir.
Okay, beta, do you know your roll number?
Yes, sir.
Kavya Krish. What is your roll number?
Sir, 21. 7th A.
No. Here it is 20. Okay. Next, Kavya Krishnani.
Present, sir. Present, sir.
Okay. Next, Keval Dhabi.
Present, sir.
Khushi Kasundra.
Present, sir.
Okay. Krisha Loria.
Present, sir.
Okay. Kusum Gajra.
Present, sir.
Okay. Mahin Mower. No. Mirang Patel. Next, Mirang Patel.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Nancy Lodaria.
Present, Sir.
Next, Richa Bhut.
Present, sir.
Next, Sachi Surya. Sachi
Present,
Surya.
sir.
Good. Shreya Jha.
Present, sir.
Okay, good. Next, Soham Chhapra. Soham Chhapra. Soham Chhapra. Not there. Stella Sitapara. Stella Sitapara. Not there. Vishwa Bawarwa.
Present, sir.
Okay. Yesha Panara.
Present, sir.
Okay. Fine. I have taken the attendance. Okay. Now everyone, please attention. Okay. Attention. I am going to say the homework. What you have to do, if you have not completed the fair notebook of the previous chapter, complete that one. That is one homework. Okay, complete that from PDF. If you have not got PDF, ask me later, I will send you. Okay, then next is worksheet. If you have not completed, today I will send the worksheet PDF of the previous chapter. You have to take the help of that worksheet and then you have to complete it. Okay, that is done. That is the second homework. Third homework is read this chapter's 2 pages, first 2 pages. Understood everyone? You have to read 2 pages of this chapter and try to understand the 2 pages. Okay, tomorrow we will start the chapter properly. Okay, today it was just an introduction. Clear? Done?
Yes, sir. Done.
Okay, so now everyone can leave. You will get the homework in the group also.
Bye,
Clear?
sir. Okay, sir. Bye,
Okay, bye bye. See you
Bye,
all.
sir.
Take care.
Thanks for teaching us.
Welcome, beta. See you all in the next lecture. Have a nice day.
Bye, sir. Bye, sir.
Bye.
Bye,
Bye.
sir.
Bye bye.